Did you know that the #1 food to eliminate liver fat isn't what you've been told to avoid? It might actually be what heals you. In the past, the biggest cause of fatty liver was alcohol, but today, people are developing fatty liver without ever drinking. And the problem doesn't stop at the liver, it spreads silently throughout your body. It leads to type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and even heart problems. The biggest confusion: the medical field often avoids talking about the real root cause. Instead, they give you a list of risk factors: obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure. But no one tells you why these are happening in the first place. In fact, the disease's name itself has changed. It was once called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now it's being renamed to metabolic dysfunction-associated steatohepatitis, or MASH. But these technical names only confuse people more. Doctors are treating symptoms with multiple drugs, ignoring the actual cause. Why? Maybe because exposing the root cause affects too many interests. So what is the real cause? Chronic overnutrition. Yes, most people are eating more than they need every single day for years. And this damages not just your liver, but your entire system. You may think, but I don't even eat that much. The truth is, it's not just about the quantity of food, it's the type of food. Overnutrition doesn't mean vitamins and minerals. It means excess sugar, starch, refined carbs, and toxic vegetable oils found in bread, pastries, fried snacks, biscuits, burgers, chips, shawarmas, and sugary drinks. But the most dangerous ingredient, fructose, especially from high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and fruit juices. Why? Because glucose can be used by every cell in your body, but fructose can only be processed by the liver, which leads to fat buildup and liver damage. When you search this condition online, it seems harmless. You'll see vague symptoms like fatigue, mild right-side stomach pain, itching, or yellowish skin. But the most visible sign is a bulging belly, because fat is now wrapping around your organs. Then comes the real kicker. Many so-called experts blame red meat and eggs. But if you examine the studies, they're observational, not causal. No one asks, did you eat red meat with fries, a soft drink, or while smoking? The truth: this epidemic exploded not with meat, but when modern processed foods entered our diets. Studies now show that a low-carb, ketogenic diet can reduce liver fat by 50% in just weeks. So what should you eat? Here's the list, and wait till the end for the most surprising, most powerful food of all. #1: organic, fresh red meat, beef, lamb, or mutton. It stabilizes insulin and blood sugar, and provides high-quality protein, zinc, copper, and CoQ10, all critical for liver repair. #2: whole eggs, especially the yolk, which is rich in choline, the most vital nutrient to reverse fatty liver. Eggs have 0 carbs, making them perfect for liver health. #2: whole eggs, especially the yolk, which is rich in choline, the most vital nutrient to reverse fatty liver. Eggs have 0 carbs, making them perfect for liver health. #3: cruciferous vegetables, cabbage, broccoli, leafy greens, and fermented pickled veggies. They detox your liver and contain sulforaphane, which reduces inflammation and supports liver function. #4: fatty fish, salmon, trout, pomfret, or rohu, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially in the skin and fat, which reduce liver inflammation and protect against damage. And finally, the most powerful food to heal your liver: beef or lamb liver. Yes, liver heals liver. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, loaded with choline, zinc, selenium, and rare micronutrients that directly reduce liver inflammation and fat, and it's naturally low in carbs. Pair it with a fresh leafy green salad and you've got one of the best meals in the world for your liver. I hope this video helped clear up some confusion and gave you real answers. Take care of your health. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.